to install Q app. Q, know what's happening, connect with the world. The world's easiest microblog. So this app is one of the alternatives to Twitter. And then yeah, you can just easily install it just with your Face ID or Touch ID. It's getting some traction because, you know, people looking for some alternatives for Twitter. And this app is globally available microblogging platform that houses over 50 million users from 100 countries. It empowers people to express their thoughts in a language of their choice. It houses social news and updates from millions of people. So yeah, it's very similar to Twitter. You can follow millions of creators, celebrities, view trending topics, upload 10 profile photos, self-verify your account, apply for eminence. So yeah, that's basically an idea. So it's kind of like a simplified version of Twitter. And then you just go from here, and then you can just start and create your account with Apple, Google, or with email ID.